In this quick video, I'll show you how to insert a background image in Word. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have this blank page on my Word. I want to insert a background image. So for that, firstly double click on the top of your page, double click on it, and then it will show you this header. Now all we need to do is tap on pictures here, and then it will open your file explorer. Select the image you want to use as a background image. My image is in downloads folder. I'll select it, then tap on insert, and once you tap on it, your image will be placed on your page. Now all we need to do is right click on your image, then go to wrap text, and here choose behind text, and now we can change the size of our image according to our page. I'll make this as big as my page is, and then we need to tap on header and footer. You can see it in the top panel. Click on it and then tap on close header and footer, and now we can type anything on our image. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.